Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on and use talkback. Friends, talkback full setting I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. Friends, open your phone setting to use talkback. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys Intelligent Assistant setting friends, click here. Scroll friends, last option accessibility. Click here. Friends, you can see talkback. So friends, tap here. You want to use talkback guys. Click on this button and allow talkback will on your Motorola phone guys. Friends, talkback will on, and friends how to use talkback. So guys, click on one tap on your back button and guys double tap here. One tap guys, double tap here guys. Again one tap and double tap. So friends, you can use talkback with double tap. Friends, one tap guys, you cannot on any setting and you cannot scroll your screen. So use your two finger, then guys you can operate your phone, you can swipe, you can scroll your screen with two finger guys. So guys, a person who is blind guys, they use talkback. How? Because guys they click on guys icon and get they listen icon name YouTube. So when they double tap on YouTube, so by YouTube on. So like they use YouTube app. Same guys they want to on camera, they want to on phone setting. So when they scroll with two finger and get they click on icon and get they listen settings sound, yeah, sim and then sim tool sound recorder. So when they click on setting and get double tap to on setting. So like that guys, we can use talkback setting one tap and double tap. And then you want to close any app, one tap here, double tap, and guys, you can close with two finger. Guys, one finger guys we cannot close app. So two finger guys we can close app guys. So like that guys, we can on and use talkback on Motorola phone guys. And friends, now you want to turn off. So how to turn off? Let's see. Use your two finger pen, scroll it. Phone setting है one tap. Guys, continue to tap. Then click on any setting and guys again scroll it. Friends, intelligent assistant setting we will one tap and double tap here. Friends, again scroll. Last option accessibility friends, one tap, double tap. Talkback friends, one tap and double tap here. Use talkback friends, tap here, double tap. Stop button, double tap. Friends, your talkback will off on your Motorola phone, and guys now you can use your phone guys without any talkback. So like that guys, we can use talkback setting, we can on and guys we can off it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt? You can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye bye guys.